It's all about the he said, she said bull. Shut up!
Walking down the street and everybody staring, just jealous of what I'm wearing. That's right, it's a fanny pack, bitches. Hot pink and matches my britches. You're thinking that guy's insane. Damn, what's his name? What's wrong with his brain? I'm perfectly sane, just hear what I say. Everything I need's just one zip away. My fanny pack is all I need. It's on my waist while I shower and while I bleed. It holds my hairspray so I look good every day. It holds me tight and keeps the boogeyman away. You can't mess with my fanny pack, I'm a maniac. It's a fact, you better watch your back. Packs more than a backpack. One time I looked inside and I found an iMac. Only tough guys wear fanny packs. Hulk Hogan, Chuck Norris, and this guy. This me, and you better watch your back. I'll smack you with my 20-pound fanny pack. I've been attacked by a wild beast. I think it was a furry hippopotamus from Greece. I needed a weapon for the fight. What I pulled out was a stick of dynamite. Make straight gifts for the holidays. My in a pack, baby. If he talks back, I'll put you in my sack. What's this? It's a midget in my fanny pack!
Oh man, wasn't that a hoot and a holler? If you want to see the bloopers from this video, click the link in the description below. And the song's available on iTunes. Yay! Thanks for subscribing. Who wants hot dogs?